In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design interlocking letters logo in Canva, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. I'll guide you through every step and provide some helpful tips along the way to ensure your design looks fantastic. So let's get started by opening Canva. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you can sign up for free on their website. Once you're logged in, head over to the Create a Design option, which you'll find prominently on the homepage. From the menu, you'll want to select Logo. This will set the ideal dimensions for creating your interlocking letters logo. Next, find the text option on the left toolbar and click on it. This is where you'll start crafting your letters. Begin by adding a heading. Type in the first letter of your logo. The font style can greatly influence the overall look of your logo, so take a moment to browse through Canva's extensive font library to find one that matches your brand's aesthetic. Once you're happy with the first letter, you'll want to create the second one. Do this by duplicating the first letter. Simply click on the text box, then right-click to find the duplicate option, and replace the duplicated letter with your second one. Now, it's time to start overlapping these letters, which is crucial for that interlocking effect we're aiming for. Click on the second letter and drag it over the first one until they slightly overlap. This overlap is where the magic happens, so adjust it until it creates an engaging visual interplay between the two letters. If you need to, use your keyboard arrows for finer adjustments. After you've positioned your letters just right, it's time to head over to the Elements section in Canva. You'll find shapes under the Elements tab. For masking, you might want to pick a circle or a square. These shapes will be used to cover certain parts of the letters that overlap, essentially creating the illusion of interlocking. Once you've positioned the shapes in a way that masks the unwanted parts, change the shape color to match your background. This step is vital because it will make the shapes blend seamlessly, leaving just the nice interlocking letters to stand out. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Share button in the top right corner. From there, select the Download option and choose PNG as the file format for the best quality. And there you have it, a polished, professional-looking interlocking letters logo designed in Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different fonts and overlaps to create something uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!